Is it recording?
He just accidentally restarted.
Okay, that's fine.
He restarted whole camera.
Okay, we're gonna go back to some of those places.
Okay.
And Zaya, when you look at this, what do you say?
Huh?
What do you say when you look at this kind of stuff?
Wow.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Because we could have been one of those houses down there.
That'd be bad for me. I'm too young to die. Does
That 5-year-old that... Now, give the camera to Zaya because it's going to be on his side. Zaya, there is no such thing as too young to die. There are babies that
did I die?
don't even come out the hospital. They die when they're in the mama's stomach. Lift it up a little bit more, yeah.
Them die in a bit mommy's stomach?
Not the tree side.
I'm trying to hold still.
Okay, I'm going to slow up.
Slow down instead of slowing
Yeah, slow
up.
down. That means that red X means everybody's okay in that house.
What red X?
On their side, on their doors.
Wait a minute.
Zaya, get this one over here.
Got it. My dad got it. Mom, so these red X's means them survive.
That nobody's in the house.
So
That means they've already searched the house for bodies.
How-
Now.
oh, look at that one. That one's wait. That's someone's room. I see toys. Zach, calm down. I'm not going outside.
Get the camera so your daddy can.
Mom, this look like a mansion a little bit.
It's a big house, but you know this is
Big
how
houses always go down.
Zaire,
Yeah.
This is why I say thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Every
Because
day.
It could be my house.
Mom, there's a school survive
Okay,
too.
give your dad this other over on this side.
My goodness. Mom, and then we're gonna look on this side.
And these were nice homes. People thought they were nice homes, but
Then a storm.
But see what happens, Zaire?
Good houses always got knocked down.
It doesn't matter about it being a good house, a bad house.
Wait a minute. So that means a red X means them not in the house,
That means that everybody's out of the house.
and was
Now
out
take a
red.
picture of this house and
Was-
and look at this house that's still standing.
Without the X's mean
But
them
look-
survived.
Okay, now look at the man, somebody's trailer right next to it.
How them still live in these houses?
Did you see that trailer?
Yes, I'm looking straight at. Oh. A furniture's okay, but oh my! Look at white ma.
All you can say is thank you, God,
Thank you, the Lord.
because
We was inside these houses. We must be God dead. But just like you said that.
all right, give it to your
Just like
dad
you
so he can get
He already have it. Just like you said, Mom. Jesus make you go and plant in somewhere.
We
See
went
my
to
cousin
Pensacola.
Pensacola, and because he warned us. Am I right, Mom?
He protected us.
Because he loved us.
Yes. And would you do for people that
Don't have homes?
would you do things for people that's not nice to you?
To help them?
Would you help people that's not nice to you?
Yes.
You would.
Yes, because.
But God, people don't obey God and don't love God, and we still good to us. Get that trash. You look at all that stuff there. Thank you, Jesus.
You should say thank you, God, too.
I do. Thank you.
Is
Father.
Jesus and God the same person? Or
He's the Father and the Son.
oh,
Jesus is God's Son.
no! I think I heard John Michael or Gaius. Not Guy. I mean, one of my classmates says Jesus killed God.
No.
That's not right. Both of them is sons and dads, right?
Right.
Just like me and my dad. Can I just stay on this side, Ma?
For right now, yeah.
It's fine.
I'm blessed.
Thank you,
thought-
the Lord. Thank you, the
thought
God.
I had it bad.
Thank you, the God. Ma, thank you, the God them survived. Did anyone evacuate or some people stay here, Ma?
And look at this, a brick house,
Uh-oh.
and it did not
That's-
stand.
It did stand on the bottom, but the top is bad. Just like a rock.
Okay. All
Ma?
right, cut it off.